looks familiar to me.
Imposible. Hindi kaya tong ganda ko, mahirap hanapin.
Hindi ko makita.
Ikaw, saan nakahanap yung mga kagaya mo?
Mahirap hanapin yung mga kagaya ko.
Oh, kaya gaya ng like.
I'm one of a kind.
Pero, hindi ba sa zoo?
What do you mean?
Mukha ka kasing animal.
Oh my God! Animal, you're so funny. Oh my God.
You're so pangit! Estefany pala.
What? Sinabihan niya akong pak. You know what? I don't like your tone. No, scratch that. I don't like you at all.
It's okay. I don't like you too. Sumusukan ko yung mata mo.
Relax. Relax.
Really?
Relax. Oops.
Yung parang yung puta. You wanna join me? Okay, subukan mo tumayo dyan sa kinauupuan mo. Yan ang huling beses na makakatayo ka. Sige.